Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. We're going to go over 1, 2, and 3-point perspective in this video. The video is going to be moving pretty fast, so I'm going to narrate. Everything starts with a horizon line. This particular one is 1-point perspective, so that means you have one vanishing point. I put it right in the middle of the page. You can put it wherever you want to. It's important to know that every object is going to be facing the viewer. And then it's going to have lines receding back to that vanishing point. I'm drawing this particular one clear so everybody can see what's going on the other side of the object. So that one was at eye level. The one that I'm drawing now is going to be below eye level. Again, the front of the object is completely facing the viewer. The horizontal lines are parallel to the top and bottom of the page, and the vertical lines are parallel to the sides of the page. In 1-point perspective, that's the way all these drawings are. This particular object is above eye level. It's like you're looking up at it, but it's still just all the receding lines are moving back to the same vanishing point. They're all going back to one point in space. The vanishing point, that's where lines that would normally be parallel, like railroad tracks, go off into the distance and appear to meet. Okay, drawing number 2. This is 2-point perspective. Again, we have a horizon line, only this time instead of one vanishing point, we have 2 vanishing points. And I put them kind of far apart on the page just to have plenty of room to draw my object. Now, the object is no longer facing us. It's like we see the corner, like the corner of a building, and we see 2 streets going on either side of the building. That's the way this drawing works. These objects are going to be just kind of in space, so we'll see the top of the top of the one below and the bottom of the one above. The receding lines still go back to those same vanishing points. I'm not drawing through these. I'm kind of taking it for granted that I know what's happening on the other side of the box. If your receding lines are correct on that front edge, we know it's going to be correct on the back side. At this point, let's see, well, looks like I had a little bit of work to do there. So I went ahead and drew the bottom end. Then that's the way I knew where my sides were going to be. So there it is all labeled. If you need to slow this down or stop it and pause and zoom in, maybe and see what is going on with the writing, I was just labeling the different parts of the drawing. This one is going to be for 3-point perspective. I chose to, so 3-point perspective, that means that you have 3 vanishing points. I put my horizon line low because I was going to be looking up at an object that seems to be going way up into the sky. So I've got my 2 vanishing points on the horizon, just like the 2-point perspective, but then I have a vanishing point up in the sky. That's also called a zenith. That's the zenith. So the zenith is up in the sky. There's another term, nadir, N-A-D-I-R, and that's when you're looking from above and it looks like it's going down. It's the same process, you're just doing it upside down. So to get the top and bottom of your object, you'd use the horizon line vanishing points, like the 2-point perspective, and then to get the up and down lines, you use the zenith up in the sky. So there it is, 3-point perspective. It is a total of 10 lines. They all go either to the zenith or to the vanishing points. If you have any questions about 1, 2, or 3 point perspective, you can leave a comment. If you are currently in class with me, you can talk to me during your block, and we'll go over as much as we need to. I appreciate you watching. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. Tell your friends, and we'll see you on the next video. Thanks. Bye.